Hello friends and welcome to Digimento. Today we will be discussing about MS Dhoni, Mahendra Singh Dhoni. So recently we know he announced his retirement from international cricket, and in this context we will be discussing about his personal life, his biography and about his career. So let's begin. I know this is a very interesting lecture and a very interesting topic for you. I'm sure that most of the Indians are a big fan of MS Dhoni, including me. So going to be a very interesting lecture. Maybe this lecture will give you more idea about his life, his biography, his career, etc. So let's begin. And if you like this video, please do press the like button, and also please do not forget to share this video with your friends. So let's begin. But before that, if you have not yet subscribed to our channel UGC NTA Net Computer Science, please do subscribe to our channel, and also please do press the bell icon for receiving the notifications. And if you're preparing for GATE, NTA, UGC NET and PGT Computer Science, we are providing online courses for the same, and the details of which you can get from our website www.digimento.com, or you can call to this number. So let's quickly start. So current affair, or the recent issue, is that MS Dhoni has announced retirement from the international cricket. So his decision to retire from the international cricket, it is after some long 16 years of career in cricket. So his decision to retire from limited overs cricket brings an end to a 16-year career which he was carrying forward, and quit the test cricket in December 2014 itself. So he had already quit the test cricket in 2014 itself. Now he is taking a retirement from the international cricket. Now let's see. Now let's look into the personal life of MS Dhoni. He was born in Ranchi in Jharkhand, and he hails from a Hindu Rajput family. He belongs to Rajput clan. So he was born in Ranchi in Jharkhand, in the state of Jharkhand, and he initially excelled in badminton and football. So before he started his official career in cricket, he was a very excellent player of badminton and football. And Dhoni is a fan of Adam Gilchrist, and his childhood idols were cricket teammate Sachin Tendulkar, Bollywood actor Amitabh Bachchan, and singer Lata Mangeshkar. So Dhoni was a very big fan of Adam Gilchrist, and also during his childhood he adored, or his idols were Sachin Tendulkar, the cricketer, the Bollywood actor Amitabh Bachchan, and the singer Lata Mangeshkar. And I'm sure this is the combination most of the Indians might be having. Personally speaking, I and you, many of you must be having this combination of childhood idols. Like even during my childhood, or in most of your cases also, I'm sure that Amitabh Bachchan, Sachin Tendulkar and Lata Mangeshkar were a very integral part of your fan life or your life. Okay. Next is about his international career. So Dhoni made his ODI one day international debut in December 2004 against Bangladesh, and he played his first test in 2005 against Sri Lanka. So he entered into international cricket in 2004 and was against Bangladesh, and he played his first test in 2005 against Sri Lanka, and he won 2007 ICC World T20, then 2010 and 2016 Asia Cups, in 2011 ICC Cricket World Cup, and in 2013 ICC Champions Trophy. So all these include his achievements in this field. Now coming to the honors. Now very recently he was awarded with Padma Bhushan also. So MTV Youth Icon of the Year, he was selected as the MTV Youth Icon of the Year 2006, way back in 2006. Then he was awarded the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in 2007-8 period, and he was also awarded Padma Shri in 2009, and he was awarded Padma Bhushan in 2018. So these are some of the honors and achievements. Now apart from having a knowledge about the honors and achievements, also it can be asked in your examination. Now I have seen many times in competitive examinations, sports is a very important area, and the honors and the achievements made by sports persons are also often asked in many competitive examinations. And recently, because MS Dhoni was in the news for his retirement issue, Therefore, there is a chance that questions can come from this. So he was also awarded Padma Bhushan. So that is also very important. Now, let's see some of the reviews or some of the comments made by famous sports persons and otherwise regarding his retirement. So BCCI President Sourav Ganguly has commented that it is the end of an era. What a player he has been for the country and the world cricket. So the president of BCCI, Sourav Ganguly, who himself is a cricketer, has said that the retirement of Dhoni is an end of an era, which means an era itself is classified, or an era in cricket itself is seen as Dhoni era. And he said that he described Dhoni as a very wonderful player, and he said that he has been a very wonderful, a brilliant player, not just for the country but also for the world cricket. So this was the comment made by Sourav Ganguly. Now, Sachin Tendulkar, many of you must be adoring Sachin Tendulkar so much. So he said, your contribution to Indian cricket has been immense, MS Dhoni. Winning the 2011 World Cup together has been the best moment of my life. So he was recollecting the memory of winning the 2011 World Cup, and he described that that was the best moment of his life. Again, Kevin Peterson, welcome to the retirement club, MSD. What a magical career. So he is describing Dhoni's career, 16-year long career in cricket, as magical, bringing so much awards and honors for himself, for his personal achievement, and also for the country. He has brought the fame of the country to a higher extent in the field of cricket and sports. So these were some of the comments made by some of his colleagues and some of the people who are associated with him in cricket field. So this is it, and whatever you feel about it, you can mention it in the comment section. We will be happy to read about it. And if you like this video, please do share this video with your friends. Please do subscribe to our channel, and also please press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll meet you again with another topic. Until then, do take care. I'll see you. Thank you.